addition to the support and resistance video with the zones. Just wanted to show you about a strategy that, well, I've seen people call it the last kiss, all sorts of things. It's very similar to a breakout strategy. Right, basically what it is, like I said, we identify a range on the chart, yeah? So as you can see, got this grey box here. This represents the range. Right, so now a normal breakout strategy would involve literally seeing the price just break out of that range, yeah? Now, the reason why, because I trade naked, I don't use no indicators or anything, yeah, so I would literally wait for the last kiss setup before I go into that trade. So in a way, like basically as simple as this, a last kiss is a breakout. It's a breakout with a certain confirmation, yeah? So it's very similar to the breakout strategy. I'll give you an example here. Okay, so this last one here, which we took, so this blue line here was the entry, yeah, it was a sell order, yeah. Right, so now we can see the range here, yeah, see the price was in the range, and we can see on many occasions this price has broken out of that range, yeah, but what's it done? It's reversed back up into it, yeah. So at 1 second it's there, next is literally gone back up to the near the top of the range, yeah. Then we've had this crazy spike here, yeah, which would happen so quick, possibly that no one would have caught anything anyway. Yep. Again, we can see continually, we've seen slight small breakouts of the zone, yeah, but then it keeps reversing back in, yeah. So now we want a solid trade, yeah, we want to catch something that, you know, we're trying to catch the trend, we're trying to catch a bigger move, yeah. So what we do is, yeah, now the whole, say, premise of the last kiss is the fact that you wait for the breakout and then you wait to see what happens on the retracement. Now, even the retracement, yeah, it just gives it a kiss, yeah, or can just go in and then continues down in, and you see a, in this case, a bearish candle, or if the move is up, a bullish candle, yeah. Then we'd use that as the confirmation that, okay, it's now completed its time in this part of the structure. Yeah, it's gone up to retest the price, and the price has told it, no, we're going to move around here. Of course, also from these 3 candle patterns as well, that also tells us, just from our reversal patterns, all of you who've got your sheets should know these by now, yeah, but that also then signifies a down move. So then, you know, we use this as an entry because it's below the previous candle that was also up. So really, any of these 2 candles is our kiss, yeah. This candle here is a confirming candle, yeah. The moment that candle closed bearish, yeah, that was like, okay, that's our chance to go in, yeah. So we'd use this line here, which was the, obviously, the support for a previous breakout, as the entry, yeah, because of course we want it to definitely know that it's going to go past there, because previously it was reversed at that price, yeah. So of course from that entry there down to there, easy money, yeah. I'll go back to earlier time, right, again here, and these are exactly the same lines, yeah, everything's still in the same place, right. So you can see it came into this range, yeah. Again, now I'm looking for this up move. Yep, so we can see its price has broken out of the range here. It's managed to touch the resistance level there and reverse back down. Yep, so again it's failed to pass it. Yep, so that's it. And all of these candles, yep, just by their formation, yep, you know what they indicate. Yep, and then that was followed by a bearish candle. So now this candle here, yeah, very bullish, yeah. still, just because it's bullish, we would literally, unless it broke this level here, yep, just above the top of the previous candle that passed the level, yep, then it wouldn't be confirming for us. Yeah, of course we can see that was followed by this continued up move there. So yes, we could have used that level there as an entry. Yeah, but then what happened at that point there? Okay, continued up to there, quickly reversed back down. Yeah. So, you know, our stop loss would have been, you know, there. So we would have got stopped out. Yeah, because we wouldn't have been able to catch this third one here. Yeah. So we wait for that last kiss setup just because it's that, you know, it's more confirming of the breakout that's going to happen. Yeah, and of course as you see the price movement there, we could have potentially been stopped out if we had a tight stop. Yeah, but of course that was a brilliant move. So again, you look at your support and resistance levels, so we have here, yeah, and you use those as also as your entries. Yeah. So of course at this stage, from we see that, as you can see this one here, where did it stop? On that resistance. Yeah, it's a bullish one again. When it managed to break it here, yeah, what happened here? Very clear bearish reversal. Yeah, candle. Bam. Yeah, but then it's come back down and it's sat on that line. Yeah, so now at this point here, yeah, we could then use this line as an entry. Yeah, because we've now had confirmation, yeah, that the price is going to use this level as a support. Yeah, we've had it twice. Both of these candles here. Yeah, but as previously as we see, it was a resistance. Yeah. So we could use then either, like I said, our major support level here, the red line, yeah, or this as a, you know, as a swing entry and use this as our stop loss here, yeah, or use this as our entry here and put our stop loss slightly below the peak of this candle here, yeah, and then catch that move upwards. I don't think we actually caught that one, to be honest. There was another up move which we did catch, but where's the keys? Alright, here we go, this one here. Right, so this is the one that we did catch. So it's similar again, so we've seen the price break out, yeah, and reverse, break out and reverse. Now I said on this occasion here, yeah, when it's come down, it's kissed the top of our level and then turned into a bullish candle. Yeah, so again we'd actually use the top of this candle here. This would have been our entry here. Just made that green. So. Yep, so this was our entry here. And of course, the support line would have been the first target. First, second target would this one here, which is the next support up, as you can see. Yep, so based on the previous structure. Yep, so it's around there. Let's see. Right, so as you can see, it was more of a confirmed move, especially to then the next major resistance level that we had there, using that strategy. So literally waiting to see that last kiss. I'll just draw that in for you guys. Yeah. Alright, I hope you get that one, guys. Yeah, so it's literally, so just to confirm, so this setup, you're looking for the price to break out of a particular range. Yep. You're waiting first to see the breakout, and then followed by a retracement that only either just kisses the edge of your range, slightly goes back in, but then is followed by a candle in the direction that is planned on. So in this case, a bullish candle. Yep. So this is our confirmation of this. Yep. From this candle closed, it's confirmation that it's kissed and it's bullish. Yep. So this would have been like this was our entry here. Yep. Of course, like I said, then your support and resistance zones act as your targets as well. Yeah. So yeah, play around with it. You can find this. Generally, don't even look for this on the smaller time frame charts. It's not worth it. The sort of profit that you'll get from it will be very small. But on the larger time frames, these sorts of movements here are very lucrative. See, look, we'll just measure that one up there to there. See, that's 150 pips. Yeah. So it's better to do this on a larger time frame. I probably use it on an hour at the smallest, and yeah, you'll be able to maximize your profits as well. Alright guys, yeah, that's the end of that one. See you soon.